Washer dryer. The compartments of the detergent drawer from left to right is for main wash detergent, fabric softeners, and pre-wash detergents. The drum pump is located at the bottom left corner. Unscrew the pump cover anti-clockwise. You may place a towel underneath in case of water flowage. Cotton's color rest, suitable for hard-wearing fabrics, heat-resistant fabrics made from cotton or linen. Easy care, suitable for less hard-wearing fabrics made from cotton or linen. Mixed fabrics, suitable for mixed items of lingerie made of various hard-wearing and easy-care fabrics. Wool, suitable for hand and machine washable fabrics made from wool. Press the option button to adjust the washing program and press dry button to set the drying programs by selecting the drying time. Leave the door open so that the inside of the washer dryer can dry out.